Hello, we are going to take a tour today through the 2019 Stampin' Up! Sale-a-Bration brochure. What I'd like to do with you today is just kind of walk through the brochure and show you the products and some of the samples that I have, either cards I've made or ones I've gotten in a swap with other demonstrators. And everything in here, if you're not familiar with Stampin' Up! Sale-a-Bration promotion, everything in here is available to you for free with a qualifying order. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one here is Hello Cupcake. This is a distinctive stamp set. So what that means is that it's just got a lot of detail. There's a special process that Stampin' Up! Has to make the stamps that they call distinctive, and they're just very, very detailed. So you can look forward to this one. There's 10 stamps in this stamp set, and it's free with a $50 purchase. So you can order anything you want from Stampin' Up! That's at least $50 before shipping and tax, and you could choose this or lots of other things in here for free. So let me show you some of the swaps that I have with that stamp set. This one I like because it's so simple, but sponging that color just adds so much to this card. The Sweet Wishes is part of the stamp set as well. What's over there? This one I like with the gorgeous grape and some designer paper, a little bit of ribbon in the background. This one, the top of the cupcake is cut off and raised up just a little bit. Same type of idea with this one where the top is cut and raised up a little bit. You also notice on this one the new stitched rectangle framelits. And there's also some new ribbon on here as well as some new designer paper. Lots of new on that one. This one I think is just stunning with the black and silver and gold. I'm not sure. I think you can see it right there. The words here are embossed with gold embossing powder. And then the ribbon here has silver. The designer paper has both gold and silver. And then of course the black. It just really ties it all together very nicely. And the last one with this set is this one right here. And that's got a little bit of a sparkle as well on like the confetti parts. I'm not sure if the lighting is catching that, but that's just with some Wink of Stella over that. Okay, let's keep moving along. Another free item option is the Organdy ribbon pack, and this is 5 different spools. It tells you right here, Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight, Grapefruit Grove, Highland Heather, and Lemon Lime Twist. Each of the 5 spools has 5 yards, so it's 25 yards of ribbon, free with a $50 order. So let me pull those in and show you how lovely. Where's my daffodil? Stuck down there. These are just gorgeous ribbons. They're so easy to work with. I love how there's, the more predominant color along the edges and then more sheer in the center. It's really, really easy to work with and adds a lot to the projects. So that is another Sale-a-Bration option. And you'll notice in the brochure how it's got this, it says this project uses a free item, and it goes through and lists Incredible Like You stamp set, gingham gala paper, thick cardstock, a few ink pads, adhesive back sequins. If you order all of these things, that will be at least $50 and qualify you to get the free ribbon. They've made it even easier in that you can just order this one item number right here, and that's all of these things. So it's no difference in price or anything like that. It's just for ease of ordering. One item number gets you all these things, and you can select the Organdy ribbon combo pack or whatever else you would like. All right, let's keep going. Butterfly elements. There are 84 pieces in this package of wood elements, and there's all sorts here. You can see that little, very delicate. You will definitely need to be careful when you're using these. But this is how it originally was. So that outline part comes right off, so you can use each of these separately. Obviously there's butterflies, there's some flowers in here, and there's more little flowers down there. So lots of fun embellishments that you can add to your projects. Another one of those kit suggestions here where if you order these items, one item number, you can choose those for free. This page, Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. Oh my goodness, this is going to be probably, in my opinion, the hottest item in Sale-a-Bration this year. So I'm going to, I've got it lying right here. I'm going to try to lift it up without destroying my stuff too much here. So very, very pretty designer paper. Some of the patterns are black and white, others bring in color. This one is stunning to me, black and white, because you can add a pop of color to those butterflies and really make them jump off the page. This one here is one of my favorites as well. And then the other 6 that come in that package are these here. So again, some black and white, some monochromatic. This sheet is really pretty to me. Another black and white, and then that one. And some of these butterflies fit a new butterfly punch that we have in the Occasions catalog. So like this, this sheet, for example, you can pop those out using the new butterfly punch. And actually, this little one too. So the punch has a big butterfly and little butterfly, and so those match up. So the designer paper was done intentionally to match that butterfly punch that we have in the Occasions catalog. Okay, next, By the Bay. This is another new stamp set. I actually don't have, I'm looking, I don't have any samples with this one yet. I've had several people order it already since the promotion started, but I don't personally have any samples with that one. The next one is Home to Roost. This one I really, really like. Here are some of my samples. This one here. It's just some watercoloring with an aqua painter and the ink off of the lid of the ink pad in Tranquil Tide and Cajun Craze. And then this one I think is absolutely stunning, colored with some Stampin' Blends and a little bit of Wink of Stella right in here. You can see that shimmer. Love those colors together. And this one here, again, showcasing those stitched rectangle framelits. And this one here. I'm going to talk about this foil paper in just a moment too. So those are some from Home to Roost. I like the potential for this to be masculine as well, so that's a nice feature of that stamp set. Now right here, this is another one of your options, free with a $50 order. Grapefruit Grove and Lovely Lipstick Foil Sheets. So I'm going to pull this back in. That's what this is here. That is a foil sheet. So that's the Lovely Lipstick Foil Sheet. Here's another one actually with Lovely Lipstick just in the background there. You can see it shimmer a little bit. The Grapefruit Grove is a little bit different in the way that it reflects the light. It's a little holographic, so it's got some funky rainbow colors coming at you, but it's very, that to me, like you can see maybe in the background here, that's what they've used. This to me is one where a little bit goes a long way, because if you had like a full card front with this, at least my eyes would freak out a little bit. So I like to use it on something as simple like those balloons, which takes me into the next stamp set you can get for free with a $50 order, So Happy Together. And this is one that I made with this frog, and I colored him with the ink off of the lid of the ink pad with a blender pen. And I have more samples to show you from swaps that I received. There's this one, another stitched rectangle. This one is cute with those little flies buzzing around. This one here. There is, oh shoot, there is some designer paper in the annual catalog that looks like this, that I can't think of the name of, that coordinates really well with this stamp set too. This one's cute, like a file folder card. This one here I did. It's got a little bit of a wash in the background. And then this one here. This one I colored with our alcohol markers, the Stampin' Blends. Okay, moving along. Next one, Part of My Story. This is one, again, that has been super popular. A lot of people over the weekend that did orders with me chose this as their free item. I don't have samples right in front of me with that one, but you can see there are a lot of great words on that one, and that's a 6-piece stamp set. Lovely Lattice. This is a 3-piece stamp set. There's some really pretty samples in the brochure here, and this is one I did that I'm really excited about. I love this card. Hoping the lighting will capture it for you. So this is shimmery white cardstock, and I colored with Stampin' Blends, both Petal Pink and Calypso Coral, and this is the Soft Seafoam, I think it's called Soft Seafoam. And then I did smoky slate around the edge here. And I think you can see that that's a little bit glossy looking. I went over the edge here as well as the centers of the flowers with my fine tip glue pen. So it's an adhesive, but when used like this, it just adds a dimension. It's just a real thin layer that makes it just slightly raised and glossy to give it a different finish. So I really enjoyed this card here. All right, next is the Precious Parcel card kit. And I just want to pull these in. First of all, this is the envelope, so it's a little bit different and fun. And then there's 2 different styles here, and you get 4 of each. And for each of them, this part pulls out of the pocket, so you could write something on there, as well as it opens up. So you could put like a gift card or something in here too. It's a cute little pocket card, but it still opens even though it's got that pocket. And this is the other design with that. Okay, next. This is where, okay, this changes just a little bit. The Time Framelits. This one is free with a $100 purchase. So if you placed an order that's $100 or more, you could choose this, or you could choose 2 of the $50 options. Okay, this coordinates with the stamp set that's in the Occasions catalog, and this will carry over, meaning that everything else is exclusive to the Sale-a-Bration promotion. You're not going to see these items in future catalogs, but this you will. There's a little more that goes into the development of the framelits, and so they're going to carry over, and they do coordinate with the Tea Together stamp set in the Occasions catalog. And I know... Oh, I have one. Hold on. This is one. I know I have more, but I guess I don't have it right in front of me. So this is one with the teapot here. And this paper is actually a vellum that is from the Occasions catalog. So just to show you that quick. And then there is one more option at the $100 level, and it's Lasting Lily. It's this big stamp set here. It's got 16 images. Again, free with a $100 order. If you do 100, you can choose this one, or you can choose 2 at the $50 level. Again, some gorgeous samples here in the catalog. And I do have a couple that I'll pull in. There's this one here that's Highland Heather and Granny Apple Green. And then this one here. I think that's Grapefruit Grove and Mint Macaron. That's what it looks like. And you can see that heart, maybe, depending on how it's reflecting the light. That's some of that Grapefruit Grove foil. So again, just like a little piece like that really, really adds a lot. Okay, so that is the tour of the Sale-a-Bration brochure. So as a review, you get to choose something out of here with a $50 minimum order. If your order is by chance $250 or more, you're going to get an extra $25 free. So if you did a $250 order, whether that's you personally ordering or you and gathering a couple of friends' orders, if it hits $250, normally you get 10% or $25 free. Well, during Sale-a-Bration, you get an extra $25, which means you're going to get $50 free for a $250 order. The other thing that is absolutely the very best deal around is when you join Stampin' Up! During Sale-a-Bration. Normally, our starter kit is $99 plus tax. Shipping is always free, and you choose $125 worth of product. Right now, during Sale-a-Bration, if you look right here, you get $175 worth of products. Your choice. You get to pick whatever you want for just $99 plus tax. Okay, and as it says, it's $50 more than usual. So $99 gets you $175 worth of product. Or, first time ever, there's an option number 2, and that is to spend $129, get the $175 worth of product, and also get this tote. It's called the Craft and Carry Tote. It is exclusive to this promotion, meaning you can't buy this or order it in any other way. It's only available when you purchase the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit. So you have option 1 for $99, option 2 for $129, and the option 2 includes this bag. So I've got this bag right here. I absolutely love it. It's just so sturdy. The material here, you can load this up. You know, they show this picture with it loaded up, you really can do that and feel confident that it is very secure. There's a longer handle here that straps on. Inside, these are Velcro, so you can move and adjust. If you need another big area, you can just pop that out. There's pockets in here. There's pockets on the outside. Cute tag. Zipper part here. Zipper on the back. It's a really, really great tote. We've had a lot of people join our team already during Sale-a-Bration, and they're all loving the opportunity to get this tote with their starter kit. So if you did not receive one of these and you don't have a current Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, please let me know, and I'm happy to get one of these out in the mail to you if you'd like to see it in person. You can also view it online. And I will put a link in the description here where you can go to place your order, or if you would like to join our Stampin' Up! Family, not only do you get an amazing deal on the starter kit, but you'll also enjoy the demonstrator discount on all of your future purchases. Not to mention, you get to be a part of my team in that awesome community. So thank you for taking your time to tour this awesome catalog with me, and I hope that you love these products as much as I do. Thanks for watching.